Good Friday, everyone. Thanks for stopping by Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the Labor Day weekend getaway. This is for Friday and the holiday weekend, August 29th, 2014. And weather conditions this morning are quite pleasant outside with temperatures right around 50 to 55 degrees across the region. Lots of clear skies at sunrise this morning. Dew points also in the comfortable range, upper 40s to low 50s as a dry air mass in place. Morning pass of the visible satellite imagery this morning shows a few high clouds. These are jet stream clouds pulling over the top of the ridge of high pressure in place. We can see this on the water vapor channel as well. Generally dry air is in place at all the levels of the atmosphere this morning. Morning surface chart from weatheroanoke.com. A digital atmosphere software shows the high pressure ridge now over just east of the Great Lakes here into New York and ridging all the way through the northern mid-Atlantic states with a light north to northwesterly flow of air at this time. This is a developing warm front to our south, which was our cold front a couple of days ago, and this warm front will become troublesome as we increase the humidity. As the high slides off the coast, the winds will become more southwesterly, and this warm front will approach during the day on Saturday, probably pass through sometime Saturday night or Sunday morning, and that's where waves of low pressure will move along the front, and disturbances as well, and showers and thunderstorms will become much more of a feature by later Sunday afternoon right through early Tuesday. And the pollen levels for the next several days into next week will continue to be in the high range as the air is relatively stable, and the pollen counts will continue to be fairly dispersed across the region as well. We are on the high side today, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday as a result of ragweed, chenopod's, and grasses. Good news is that we don't have any watches, warnings, or advisories for the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia I-95 corridor, Delmarva Peninsula for today or tonight and even on Saturday as well. And this is removed from our forecast region out here over the southern flanks of Providence and also southeastern Rhode Island here. And basically no airport delays this morning too, so that's good news. Here's a look at Cristobal this morning. This is still a hurricane, Category 1, wind speeds of 80 miles per hour, wind gust at 100 miles per hour. It's becoming extratropical now, but it's still forecasted to intensify over the next 12 hours as it races to the north and east at about 50 miles per hour. National Hurricane Center will probably continue to issue warnings on or advisories on hurricane, soon to become extratropical storm Cristobal for the next couple of runs. As of 5 a.m. this morning, the center of Cristobal was located at 42.1 north, 51.1 west. It's moving to the northeast at 50 miles per hour, and this general motion expected with some decrease in forward speed during the next day or two. Maximum sustained winds have decreased to around 80 miles an hour. Cristobal is forecast to lose its tropical characteristics later today, but should remain a powerful extratropical cyclone over the North Atlantic through Sunday. Hurricane force winds extend out to 70 miles, and tropical storm force winds out to 265 miles from the center. The minimum central pressure estimated is 28.74 inches. Surf and swells generated by Cristobal are affecting Bermuda and the New England coast as expected. Large swells will also affect portions of the southern coast of Nova Scotia and Newfoundland during the day today, and these swells are likely to cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions. Morning Google Earth Streamline analysis shows Cristobal accelerating to the north and east towards Newfoundland and Nova Scotia here. High pressure over New York State down to the mid-Atlantic states with a northwesterly flow and beautiful weather conditions for today. This is developing warm front to our south and west, and this will be providing us with the increase of cloud cover, humidity, and chances of showers and thunderstorms in periods and pockets from Sunday night right through early Tuesday. High-resolution rapid refresh model from Penn State's eWall site shows a little bit of that high cloud cover spilling over the top of the ridge today on a north to northwesterly flow. Temperatures are generally going to be running basically in the 70s pretty much everywhere today. It's going to be a beautiful day, and we wait to see what happens over the weekend as showers and thunderstorms and moisture increase by Sunday night into early Tuesday. Start off this weekend on a pleasant note, but increasing chances for showers and thunderstorms. Not going to be a washout this entire weekend in all locations. This is the latest NAM reflectivity simulated forecast going into the future from the College of DuPage. We're high and dry. We increase the humidity and cloud cover around the region on Saturday as a warm front approaches, and a couple of disturbances too across southeastern Canada and also through the central plains. And this warm front will be sliding through the region during the day on Saturday night and early on Sunday. This increases our chances for showers, at least during the afternoon hours on Sunday, and that batch of showers moves off the coast on Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Start the day on Monday, Labor Day, with just leftover cloud cover, a little bit of drizzle, or even some light precipitation across the region. Most of the day on Monday will probably feature mostly cloudy skies, but there'll be breaks in the clouds where it's not raining, especially central and southern portions. And we have chances of showers and thunderstorms increasing again across the forecast region later in the afternoon and in the evening as another disturbance and cold front move across the region. GFS maps into motion from College of DuPage. We'll start things out with high pressure and control over our weather. And as the high shifts off the coast, the winds turn more to the southwesterly, and a disturbance across southeastern Canada and the Great Lakes gets going here. And this drags a warm front closer to our area, probably remaining to the south and west through much of Saturday, Saturday night, and then Sunday. And as we get into Sunday afternoon, one of these disturbances will roll through with some showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon hours. Most of them will be confined to the north and east away from the region, but some shower and thunderstorm activity is still possible anywhere in the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area, capped at around a 30 to 40% chance. And there will be breaks in the overcast on Monday as that disturbance moves through and that trough axis moves through. Weak high pressure building in, but here comes another disturbance and cold front crossing the prairies here and south of Hudson's Bay into the Great Lakes region on Monday morning. And this will increase the southwesterly flow, low level moisture. And as this cold front approaches, some showers and thunderstorms will redevelop to our west and along the region during later Monday night and early Tuesday as this cold front then attempts to make it through and off the coast. And high pressure builds in once again, and another disturbance moves in across the region early next week, the middle part of next week, with more showers and thunderstorms moving through later Wednesday night and early Thursday morning, widely scattered across the region. So it's not going to be a washout in every location. It won't be raining in all locations all the time. We just want to let you know that there's about a 30 to 40% chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms, capable of some heavy downpours from Sunday night right through Tuesday night. Everything's looking good on the aviational weather deck this morning. VFR conditions expected through most of the day and tonight as well. A light northerly wind at 3 to 7 knots early this morning should feature an east to southeast direction or heading during the afternoon into tonight. Saturday mostly VFR, localized fog early, then generally more diurnal and rural locations with that. Then Sunday, mostly VFR, scattered shower and thunderstorm mainly north and west of Philly, which could lower ceilings and visibilities just a little bit. Monday and Tuesday, mostly VFR. Scattered showers and thunderstorms possible everywhere on Monday. Less potential Monday night. And again, Tuesday afternoon, low confidence on precipitation coverage. It will all depend on where the short waves and where the frontal boundary lies, and the mesoscale models are probably not going to handle that too well this far out. Right now outside of Newark, New Jersey, beautiful 63, 51 dew point, humidity 65%. The wind is north at 6. Few jet stream clouds at 25,000 feet and VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia, same thing. Jet stream clouds, 62 degrees, dew point 50, humidity 65%. The wind is light out of the north at 7 knots, and beautiful VFR conditions in place. Beautiful day to start your holiday weekend by going to the beach today. Sunny skies, high temperatures in the mid 70s, northeast winds at around 10. Seas will be still a little rough at 3 to 4 feet. Southeast swell at around 3 feet every 9 seconds. Water temperature 75 degrees. Can't get better than that for the summer. UVI index is high at 8. And remember, there is a moderate risk of rip currents at all the beaches today. That means wind and wave conditions support stronger and more frequent rip currents. Always have a flotation device with you in the water and swim only in lifeguarded areas. There is no threat of lightning today. The next high tide at Atlantic City at 10:26 and at Rehoboth Beach at 10:50 this morning. So no matter where you're going this weekend or what you're doing, always be safe in doing so. Enjoy your holiday weekend. We'll be back bright in form on Monday, Labor Day. We're still going to forecast on Labor Day. It's a holiday to you, but it's weather to us. For Garden State Weather, everything weather 24 hours a day, it's Garden State Weather and gardenstateweather.blogspot.com. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a fantastic Labor Day weekend. We'll be back on Monday, Labor Day.